Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, may I know your name?
My name is Rosie Agapito Mamico.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
So, I am 36 years old. I have one son, 8 years old. I am married but now separated for almost 5 years. And I'm staying with my family, my brother. I am a graduate of Bachelor's of Science in Commerce, major in Banking and Finance, and have a technical course for caregiver.
Yes. Any experience abroad as a housemaid?
Yes, I've been in Taiwan for any 1 year and 7 months.
Why only 1 year and 7 months?
Because when I was in Taiwan, my mother gave up one for me to come back home because my brother have diagnosed of lung cancer. That's why I went home.
Okay, how many members in your Taiwan employees house?
We are only husband and wife and one son.
The son how old?
The son is 19 years
Oh,
old.
big already, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is the main duties in the house?
My main duties in the house, I should do clean up everything in the household, and then open if they came home, I'll be the one to open them, and everything I do that I can do in the house.
Okay, how about cooking?
They don't need me to cook because every time they are in the work early and then go back home night.
How about the marketing?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes.
With Sunday.
What is your main duties is clean up the house only, right?
Clean up the house.
What time you wake up in the morning?
6:30.
Then what time go to sleep?
Early because they need me to keep early because I almost the time I stay in the home, so I keep everything. I fix all before I sleep.
A very good job, right? No need to cook.
Yeah.
No need to take care of the children.
Yes.
No need to take care of the newborn.
So because they like only the one person stay in the home because they went out. They need only to guard the house.
Just like a watchman, right?
Yes. Because my cousins there already came from. So that's all. Since 2 years also.
Okay. When you did something wrong in the house, then brought angry with you, what you will do?
Just listen. Just listen them because if they tell you that you're wrong, meaning you have something wrong, you need to listen to them.
Yeah. Okay, how about the holiday? The day off?
Day off, sometimes Sunday. But I keep on staying home if they are there also. Sometimes going to church with them also to the church.
Okay, why now want to work in Hong Kong, not the other country?
I'm afraid. I'm afraid to Middle East.
Why afraid?
I don't know because some of my friends came there already, so they talk something bad.
How about Hong Kong?
My friend told me if you're good workers in Hong Kong, and of course the salary is high, so I need my salary to give a good future to my son.
Yes, correct. Okay, any message to your future employer?
Yes. Again, I am honest, trustworthy. Most I am friendly also, and I experience to take care of babies mostly. Hope they will get me. I'm a good listener also.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.